From curiosity to creation, science comes to life. Detailed manual guide. Every kit contains a detailed manual guide which guide you step-by-step instructions and safety guidelines.
Elevating learning, empowering young scientists. Convenient and time-saving with all the materials and instructions in one place. This kit saves time for educators and learners, making practical implementation hassle-free.
From chemistry to physics, our science kit has everything you need for hands-on learning. It can help you develop a closer relationship between your learning.
Fuel your passion for discovery with our science experimental kit. The kit encourages curiosity and exploration, igniting a passion for science and critical thinking among students.